Hello guys, so I tried to test myself on my understanding of generators and iterators, and this is what I came up with. So as you can see, I have a random quote generator using iterators and generators, and as you can see, I'm retrieving a value at a time and then rendering it to my div. So this is my code. So I have a quotes JSON file here with so many quotes here. So what I'm doing, I'm using JavaScript to do this, and sorry, but I had to use synchronous programming to load my data and what have you. So you can see I've used generators to yield my data, so using this function. So I was able to create an iterator, then I was able to iterate through it and receive the values with a timeout of 5 seconds. So sorry, this is 5 seconds, sorry. So guys, I hope once you learn about generators and iterators, you can implement this. So I'll have the code on my GitHub, so I hope you guys enjoy this. So basically, yeah, and then some styling, I just applied some little styling, not that much. So as you can see, I tried to make it as responsive as possible. Yet not that fancy, sorry. I didn't make it so fancy, but yeah. So thank you to Lila yesterday, because she taught me quite a lot. The part when she said that sorry, let it load the data. So the part that she said, keep placing it out there, keep placing it out there, so don't worry about whatever. So it works responsively, so it's perfect. So as you can see, I've not made it so fancy, but I hope you like it, guys. I hope you like it. So yeah, thank you.